I'm about to reveal the exact AI sales system that our clients use to generate millions of dollars on Instagram and how we get ready to buy calls into our calendar consistently, as well as generate results for our clients, such as closing a client for $10,000 within a week of working with us, booking in calls using AI automatically, collecting sales such as 2K as if it's nothing, and closing deals in 3 days within just a week of running a test campaign. All of this system is powered by an automated AI setter, automated outreach, and automated statistics tracking. And the system is split up into 3 phases. We have the attract phase, the connect phase, and the convert phase, as well as data collection and outcomes. The first step is to attract people into our AI sales system, and we can do this through 2 separate ways, either through content or through ads. Now, for content specifically, you need to post on Instagram and YouTube. Instagram is where you attract a lot of people into your funnel, and YouTube is where you can nurture them with actual value, which ends up converting them. As you can see, both on Instagram we have 38,000 and on YouTube we have 11,000 subscribers, and we've posted valuable videos on AI, Instagram sales, automating Instagram DMs, etc. The key principle here is to post minimum once a day on Instagram and once a week on YouTube. Now, if you miss a day, if you miss a week on YouTube, it's not the end of the world, but this is really what you should aim for and strive for in order to achieve real growth. Now, when it comes to ads, there's 2 different types of ads that we run for our clients. It's either messaging ads or profile visit / follow ads. The messaging ads have the goal to start a conversation directly, such as this one right here. Message me system, and I'll send you the exact strategy with a send message call to action. The way you set this up in your Facebook Ads Manager is by selecting engagement and then selecting the end goal to be for them to send you a message. Everything else will be handled by Facebook on autopilot, and I'm going to make a video soon breaking down exactly how we run our ads and achieve results such as the ones on screen right here. The second type is profile visit and follow ads, which lead directly to your optimized profile and your story highlights. This also adds added trust for your messaging ads because people who message you will likely also check out your profile. Profile visit ads are traffic campaigns inside of your Facebook Ads Manager, so you want to optimize for traffic, and your call to action is to follow you to learn how, with a call to action to visit the Instagram profile. Now, you can go a lot more into details with different creatives, videos, testimonial ads, etc., and I'll be making a full breakdown on this very soon. But this is an amazing way to predictably get people to your profile and connect with them, whereas content is something where you just need to put inputs over and over again, and you don't have full control over when and how fast people end up coming into your funnel. But the good thing is, if a video goes viral on your Instagram or on your YouTube, this funnel and system will be able to handle it. Now, when it comes to your optimized profile, you want to have a clear profile picture. You want to have a bio that shares exactly what you do and who you help. For example, helping fitness coaches print money online. He showcases a transformation from broke to 35K per month with coaching, and he has a call to action to DM him right here. Hormozi on the other side has social proof right here. He then has a call to action for his book, and he simply shares the link. It's important to note that Hormozi is so big at this point that he doesn't need to follow the optimization as well as, for instance, William Scott, or if you go to my Instagram profile, you're going to see the exact same principles applied. The next are story highlights, where you need to share free value, wins, aka client testimonials, and some information about yourself. You can also pin posts to the top of your profile, which will allow you to build more trust and put the right content in front of people who come through either your content or your ads and take a look at your profile. The goal of having an optimized profile is to make the connect phase incredibly easy, where you want to turn people into people you can talk to. Now, inbound is going to be the first way you can do this, and this is where the bio framework comes into play. DM me X for Y is a framework that I like using for it. So for example, you could write DM me systems. This is going to be the keyword people DM you to scale your education business to 50K per month. This is going to be the transformation that you provide. You can also run engagement Facebook ads, as we just said, which are going to be the messenger ads right here, and both of those would be classified as inbound connections. Now, the automated outreach is where our system really shines, because we've built automated outreach systems using ManyChat, which scrape the details, find out all the detailed profile information, save it in ManyChat, tag people on whether they're an ICP or not, and generate a personalized outreach message based on this profile info right here, and then send it out to the lead. For this, we use ManyChat to actually trigger the messages, and we use N8N to scrape the profile information and actually generate the outreach message, as well as add all of the tags to the specific profile. As you can see, there's an AI active tag right here, which will be interesting in a second when I show you the whole AI setup. Now, I'm gonna be making a lot of separate videos on this, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in more content on this. And we also teach all of this inside of our AI Sales Accelerator, where we have all the templates available. Now, once you have inbound or an automated outreach, you will go on to your AI setter. And your AI setter is an amazing tool because it can handle all of your conversations on autopilot, knowing full context about the lead. Now again, we have two separate elements playing a part here. First, we have ManyChat, and then secondly, we have N8N. ManyChat receives the message, as you can see, the default reply, processes all the information. It will only reply to people who have the tag AI active, and it will actually run through the entire flow until it sends out the request to N8N in this box right here. It also tracks everything, which I'm gonna go into in a later section. Now, the AI setter itself receives the message. It can listen to voice memos, so it can understand what people say in their voice memos. It will also scrape the profile's information if it's not available yet, where then the AI setter will handle the response based on your prompt values. It will split the message and format the message to make it human-like, as well as use code to remove any M dashes, and it will send messages individually one by one. Now, to give you an idea of what this would look like, we sent the outreach message right here, which is, hey, appreciate the follow. I see you're building some solid companies with OmniFusion and AutoGDM, so it's personalized to me, and the AI then asks me what the main bottleneck is. Now, this is the outreach section. As soon as the outreach is done and the person replies back, the AI setter is then able to take over the conversation, and as you can see, he sends very human-like messages, splitting it up into multiple individual messages so that the person that we're talking to never actually knows that it's an AI. Now, after the AI setter's conversation, we're gonna go into the convert phase, where we wanna turn the people that we talk to into people who actually, number one, pay us, and number two, understand how we can help them transform their business and actually buy into the vision. In the convert phase, we have automated follow-ups, so the AI setter can also automatically follow up, as you can see right here. And these right here are real statistics for a client of ours who within the course of a month sent 28,599 follow-ups using the tracking system that I'm about to share with you. We also have AI qualification, where the AI asks questions to figure out their goal, whether they are an actual ICP fit, and we are able to help them and work with them, and then offers them to book in a call where we can then close them. And because of the fact that we have our profile set up, they're attracted through ads or content, there's already a lot of trust built, and we qualify them in the DMs. Our closing and show up rate for the actual calls are incredibly high, which we also have other systems for, where we automatically make sure that people show up on calls. The end result here is that we have ready to buy calls consistently. We book a ton of calls using this exact system. As you can see, these are all calls with my business partner Serda, and these ready to buy calls lead to results such as where Amanda booked her first 10K client within 5 days of using this AI sales system. People are booking in calls using the AI. People are making sales for 2K. People are closing their deals within 3 days of running their campaign on a small set of test leads, and it leads to revenues of close to $1 million, another 500K, and our clients combined have made millions of dollars using this exact system. Now, this is obviously not where it stops, because this is all nice. You get people, you get them into calls, this is fantastic, but the only way you can continue improving this system is through data collection over time. The key metrics that you want to track is cost per follower, your reply rate to the automated outreach, your cost per call, how much does it cost you to book a call in, this is for ads specifically, your show up rate to the calls, out of these calls that you book, how many people actually end up coming onto the call, and your closing rate. Now for this, we've made a very simple sheet, which is also a template as part of our accelerator, where you can input all different data and fully analyze how your campaigns are performing on a day-by-day basis in terms of marketing, appointment setting, and sales. Only by having this data are you able to actually track and improve over time. But don't worry, not everything here is automated, because we also have an automated system which tracks follow-up sent. when you send follow-ups, whether your team is sending follow-ups on time or late, as well as your outreach messages sent, how many replies you received, and your reply rate for your outreach messages, as well as more advanced stats where you can see your reply rate by outreach reasons, whether you got replies with follow-ups or without follow-ups, which reasons are performing the best, and how many outreaches you are sending to new followers, viewed stories, old leads, etc., etc. By using the automated tracking as well as manual inputs into this sheet, you are going to be able to optimize this system over time and continue refining your outreach, your ads, your content, your AI setter, and how you pitch people onto the call. Now, the outcomes of a system like this are incredibly beneficial because you have pre-sold leads in your calls, you have consistent lead flow, you have more money in less time, meaning you can focus on the things that actually matter in your business. You have a lean team with high profit because all of this is fully automated. You don't need a big setting team. A lot of the clients we work with at our agency had 5 appointment setters previously, and now all they have is one AI agent that does all the work for them and $5,000 to $30,000 clients. And these are just some of the payments that we personally have collected, where we collect $36,000 from one client, 4K, 50,000 dirhams, 7,000 dirhams, 11K, 5K, and this is just the beginning. This is literally all in 1 month for us at the agency. Now, if you want to learn more about this system, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. I'm going to be making a ton of content here, and if you want to learn exactly how to implement this system in depth and receive templates for our AI setter, our follow-up system, our data collection, our ads, our content, everything that we do, click the link down below, book in a call, and let's see if we can help you.